So first start, had a cam position sensor, crank position sensor failure off the bat. Customer was over here in the driver's seat, started it up, everything was running smooth, gave it a few revs, everything was awesome. Good oil pressure, everything. Did a cam shaft correlation reset calibration on the scan tool and told him, hey, if it goes past 4,000 RPMs, let out. Well, he floors it and bounces it off the rev limiter. And I'm telling him, stop. And after RPMs came down, we heard this noise. There's just water running. I have just going in there so we're not overheating. That's oil pressure. Temperature is 2A. I just had it running. It'll come down from there. Hear that kind of squeaking. Like it's coming from this side. I took valve covers off already. Checked push rods. Everything was good. No bent push rods or broken rocker arms or anything like that. He does have some cheap eBay lifters in here that claim to be LS7 lifters, but we all know how that goes. I had nothing to do with building the motor other than putting the intake on, headers, all accessories. It basically came to me as a long block. So, factory pistons, rods, factory camshaft, and he has ARP main studs in it. Motor was built like 2 years ago. What do y'all think, guys?